Well, if you want to get married, just plan for February the 9th.
Same-sex marriage will be legal in Alabama starting February 9th if the Court of Appeals decides not to step in.
A Mobile couple has been at the center of this case. Local 15's Stephen Quinn got their thoughts on the stay ruling issued last night.
With their case now made and their ruling received, Cari, Searcy, and Kimberly McKeand stood in front of the Mobile County Probate Court on Monday. Barring a motion by the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals, Cari will be able to adopt Kimberly's 9-year-old son, Kaya, as a second parent on February 9th. The case also opens the door for gay marriage in the state, something they say this case was never about for them.
The state made that the issue. And that's how we got here, but it was always about protecting our son and to all three of us be legally recognized as the family that we are.
But the ruling means that for other same-sex couples that in 2 weeks they would be allowed to walk through the doors here of the Mobile County Probate Court and apply for a marriage license. After a long legal battle, these two women say Sunday's news of a delay has not dampened their spirits.
You know, we just have to wait 14 more days. It's no big deal. We can do that. We've been waiting 9 years, so you know, it's a little bit more time, but there is hope and it can be done here in Alabama, and I think we just proved that.
Less than a decade after the state of Alabama overwhelmingly passed the Sanctity of Marriage Amendment, opinion on the issue seems to be swaying.
I think once everybody started to really take a look at it from that perspective of people that they knew, I think a lot of people realized there was absolutely nothing to be afraid of.
In Mobile, Stephen Quinn, Local 15 News.
Alabama Attorney General Luther Strange's office filed a notice today challenging District Judge Granade's ruling. The story is stirring up mixed emotions here in many offices. Alabama Governor Robert Bentley weighed in this morning.
Our belief is it still should be left up to the states because the 10th Amendment guarantees that the states are the ones to handle all problems like this, not the federal government.
The topic of gay marriage has made its way to the Supreme Court. Justices will decide whether the Constitution allows states to ban same-sex marriage. Until a definitive national ruling, states can still ban and lower courts can uphold a ban on same-sex marriage. The Supreme Court will argue the case in late April.